Alright, this is my video for the Lab4. This is the first one, so this is going to be over the vote counter. I'm currently in my room right now because I live with my niece and nephew, and the desk I usually work at is kind of crowded with Legos. So yeah, for the vote counter, this was my truth table right here, laid out, and this is the circuit I'm going to go with. This is the circuit converted using only NOR gates and inverters right here, but I think this one's a lot easier, especially, well, for me on the breadboard. And if you look, there's just a collage of wires, so it took me a while not to get confused with this. So right here, these are my switches. This is going to be A, B, and C. And if you see right here, this wire is A, this one's B, and this one's C. Now this is a, I think, 7432 chip, and if you look over here on my table, it's using OR gates, and that is what the 7432 chip does. And then for the last two gates, I used 7408 chips for the AND gates, and instead of doing it on the same chip, I just separated them. So for right here, we have A. Let's see if I can get in there closer. So this is so hard to focus. So A right here, and then B right here, and then if you look right beside it, there's A going to the AC OR gate, and the top two is the AB OR gate, and so B is connected right here for the second dip switch, and then it goes over to the BC OR gate right here, and then C goes from right here from the dip switch to right here, and it actually crosses over because I didn't want to do the BC on the same side because it would confuse me too much, so I crossed over and used the gates on this other side. So C's right here, B's right here, and if you look, this is the output right here of A and B, which goes to the first AND gate right here. So let's see where I'm at again. Okay, so yeah. Okay, no, I said that wrong. So let's see. This is what I'm talking about. So this is AC right here, the output of AC, because A is that little orange wire, C is this one right here, and this is the output. So this is the first gate. So this goes to the first gate, the first input. And on our first gate, we also have B and C. So the output of B and C is right here, and it goes to this first AND gate right here. And then the output of those goes to this input of the second AND gate, as well as this one right here, which is going to be your A and B. So if you look over here on the truth table,